Unacademy. Let's crack it.
My last question. What are the child rights?
So, child rights refers to those rights that any child would deserve. For example, right to education, right to food. Uh, and or basically, right to protection is also a part of child rights.
Important law, important legal provisions for the children.
So, important legal provision is with regard to child labor. We have the Child Labor Amendment Act of 2016. So we also have right to education for children, imparting education till 14 years of age as a compulsory provision. So we have laws against child marriage, uh, prohibiting marriages for girls less than 18 years of age.
Two importance are still.
So safety measures with regard to POCSO Act that we have.
POCSO is one.
So these are the ones that I can.
Juvenile
Justice Act.
Unacademy. Let's crack it.